80 now, of course, unbeatable on breaking news. But let's shift focus. The insolvency proceedings against JP Infra has come as a bad news for over 25,000 home buyers, with JP Infra unable to complete the Wishtown project in Noida that it had launched back in 2001, and nearly 26,500 buyers are afraid of not getting their dream project. But looks like finally they will be relieved by what Finance Minister Arun Jaitley had to say. Let's listen in.
जितने भी ये केसेस हैं जहां फ्लैट बायर्स ने डेवलपर्स को पैसा दिया हुआ है, उन सबको उनका फ्लैट मिलना चाहिए और हमारी पूरी सहानुभूति उनके साथ है। अब जो केसेस इंसॉल्वेंसी में गए हैं, वहां भी कानून में इसका प्रावधान प्रक्रिया है कि इंसॉल्वेंसी के दौरान किसी भी कंपनी का व्यवसाय कैसे चलेगा, उस कानून में इसका प्रावधान है। और क्योंकि अब ये उस कानून के माध्यम से कवर होंगे, तो जो लोग इससे अग्रीव्ड हैं उनके पास भी इसकी रेमेडी हो सकती है।
All right, home buyers, of course, in a limbo, but looks like the government is looking at some sort of a relief that could be provided to the home buyers. Arun is joining in live on that story. Arun, we did see the Allahabad NCLT deal a body blow to those home buyers after they had said that the insolvency proceedings will kick in the case of JP Infra. But what is it that the government is now really looking to do? What kind of provisions will the bankruptcy code have, and how will the government look to ensure that finally these projects are completed?
Test case for insolvency and bankruptcy code, considering the real estate sector, which is in limbo after JP Infra like Amrapali and HDIL, who are also facing insolvency proceedings at different national company law tribunals. Now, what happens in these cases would be interesting, because not only there are these companies have third property rights in terms of investors. For instance, Amrapali has around 20 odd thousand investors who have not been given flat, and for if you see this JP Infratech, they also have some 25 odd thousand flats that they have to give to flat buyers, and remains to be seen, considering that the finance minister was saying that they would want these flats to be given to their rightful owners. And also now when the insolvency proceedings are underway against JP Infratech, there are provisions under which they can claim refund to the investors, as well as they can claim their flats. But in this case, it would be interesting to see how government moves forward, because we were saying, hearing from the government side, that they could move in and have vast land banks which these companies possess in the area, sell them off, and ask other authorities, for instance, in terms if whether in case of JP Infratech, they can ask authorities which are have these lands to sell these land and make the flats available, make these projects available for flat buyers, considering that huge amount of money is being invested. And if these companies go for insolvency, thousands of flat buyers are going to suffer. So it would be a test case for the government as well as for the insolvency and bankruptcy code in the days to come.
Absolutely, Arun. And as you very rightly pointed out, this of course is a test case, but the government wants to give some sort of a relief to the home buyers. In fact, what we do understand is that some of these land banks could be sold, and receivers or state agencies may be appointed to complete those pending projects by the government.